Hello and welcome. Dr. Tim Liptrap here, and we are in the chapter of our Principles of Finance class on the valuation of future cash flows. We are looking at the problem set of calculating the annuity cash flows. Here's our problem. If you were to put $58,000 today in exchange for a 5.8% 15-year annuity, what will the annual cash flow be? So we have a couple things. We have the length of the annuity of 15 years. We have the interest rate of 5.8%, and we also have the $58,000. So that's the PVA. So what we're looking to do is we need to find out what the monthly or the yearly payment is going to be, which is C. We're going to use the PVA formula. The PVA formula looks like this. It's PVA is equal to C, which is the cash flow. Then you open up a parenthesis, open up a bracket, then you go minus, so then you see this in the middle, 1 minus 1 over 1 plus R. R is the rate, and T is the time to the T. Okay. Close the bracket, divided by R, the rate, end bracket. So we're going to work in the middle first. And you can see how this works. You have it's 1 over the 1.058. So the way I do it is I like to clear my memory clear. 1.058. Sometimes I put in the parentheses, sometimes I don't. And then I say X, Y. You can see the little XY button. And then I put it to the 15th, the number of years. So I got this number of 2.3296. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just save that to my memory just for a moment. And then I'm going to do 1 divided by my memory. And then I'm going to clear this out here just so I can. 1 divided by my memory is equal to 0.42925. So I have the ability to clear my memory and then add this new number into it. So I can just save it. So now that is going to be subtracted by 1. So I'm going to go clear 1 minus my memory, which gives me 0.5707. Now I'm going to take that number and divide it by 0.058. Now I have a multiple, 9.8404. Great. So that is my multiple. If I was to multiply that by C, if you can see where my mouse is, that would equal 58,000 because that's the equation, 58,000. So I want to isolate C so I can find out what my yearly payment is. So I'm just going to divide. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take this right here and move it to the other side. So I just change it. So C is equal to 58,000 divided by 9.840437. And then my C, or my yearly payment, my cash flow, will be 5894.05. The hardest part is this calculation right in here in knowing where to go first. I always go in the center first. Then I go this way, and then I divide it by the 0.58. If you have any questions, please let me know.